Convert Shopify store to Wix website. Today I'm going to show you how to convert Shopify site to your Wix site. So let's get started. Go to your Shopify store and in Shopify store now logging into your account. If you don't have one, you can create one. So after logging into your account, you will be able to see your account dashboard. In the account dashboard, you will see a lot of options. In the search bar, you can search for the applications available on Shopify, or you can tap on the icons that says add apps in the left dashboard. From here, after loading, you will be able to see all the applications available. Scroll down, you can see different application. If you don't found one that you need, you can also search it in the search bar. Now I need an app that is cart to cart. I will search for it and it will open like this. I will select the option, the first link that says cart to cart add store migration app. Now after clicking on it, it will show an option to install. Install this application and create your account. After installing and logging into your account, you will be able to migrate your Shopify to Wix website or any other available site. That's pretty much simple.